What's up, y'all? So it's your girl Rap. I just feel so fake. Hold on, let me just chill. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a
And you know I'm Gucci, bitch, I'm double G.
He say he feeling me, he like the way I sing. I say let's go to the bank and cop some new things. I've been smoking every day, they tell me y'all they change.
Today I'm going to be reviewing Kylie's skin for you guys. That noise that you hear is my dog walking. But yeah, I'm going to be reviewing the full kit of Kylie's skin. Ignore my armpit. We're going to get straight to the video, no shenanigans, because I literally just got out the shower, so I'm trying to keep the heat. Alright, so before we get all the way into the video, I just want to go ahead and say subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading more. And that's all I got for y'all. No extras. This is how it comes in a pink box. So I feel like it's made for me. I haven't opened it yet. I actually knew I was gonna want to open it. That's why I'm doing this as soon as I literally just got this off the porch. Well, I wonder what's in there. Okay, I see the little thing. I don't know if they all come like if everything comes like this, but I ordered the full kit, like the full Gucci Fit kit. But right here on the inside, it tells you where it's from. So that's a thumbnail right there. This is so cute. We have the Kylie Skin box. It comes with this little card and it says, "Hope you love your Kylie Skin products. I am so excited to see what we have. Excited for you to see what we have in store. Sign up for text and get $5 off." So if y'all want to do that, okay. These stickers, which I think are really cute, but I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Here's the actual thing. That's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Hey, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm gonna make this quick because I know y'all don't want to be here all day and my mom has to shower. Slides out. And then you have yo things. Yo we. All right, and we're back. It took me a little minute to get this stuff out, but at least I know it won't shaking the room. First things first, we have the cleanser. Oh, let me back up. So we're just gonna go ahead and get my face wet. It says here, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with kiwi seed oil, vitamin C and E to maintain moisture and elasticity. Okay, that was just the pump. That was just the air pump, you know what I mean? Okay, so one pump is supposed to be enough. And I like the smell. It has a really light scent to it. I don't know what it is, but I'm fucking with it. Next, I'm going to do the face scrub because I never really exfoliate, so we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do that much doo-doo. Get a little bit on my hand and just. I think I got some in my eye. Hold on. Okay, I just want y'all to see my skin. I do have acne prone skin and it's very sensitive, so hopefully I don't break out, but okay, next we have the Vanilla Milk Toner, which I am most excited about because I needed a toner. These are the only ones that I really care, but whatever. At this point, my face feels pretty clean. It looks pretty much the same, but I feel like we're just gonna see what happens, man. Okay, so the serum, I don't think it's supposed to open like that. I could already see it's kind of like, I guess it's like watery. So that's all you get. It really just, it doesn't have any cool like backstory. So next I'm gonna go with the moisturizer. I like how this feels. I think I'm starting to see like I look more awake already. I don't know. Last step here, this eye cream. This is how it comes. This is how it comes, and then that was like a TikTok too. It's like this weird yellow color. Just let it soak in. Just let it soak in. Okay, so this is how my skin looks now. I don't want to touch it too much, but it feels very hydrated. My skin is moisturized and not oily. Like, I feel awake. I feel ready for the day, even though it's like 6 o'clock. If I had to rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, 8 or 9, because I feel like there's always room for improvement, but I don't really know stuff. That's why we're here to learn. I guess I'll give this an 8 or a 9. And if you want to see me review this, or like, I'm gonna go ahead and use it until it's gone, because it cost me like $125. But unless I have like some weird crazy reaction to it, I'm gonna be posting a review following up to see how my skin has changed, or if it has at all. So thumbs up if you want to see that. Go ahead and subscribe wherever it's at these days, and hit the bell so you can know when I'm popping up, because I'm popping. Thank you, horse.